menin kangaka amake lama ongahi kakiko na o hong zayin dana dum sung pan ke hong hon kya kakete swang pi tunga amwa riding in hong khahi ke ma bsen pan na la tak kasunga hong thei sa ki la menin to pa ganga amake malam hong ngahi kakiko na hong zayin dana dum sung pan hong hon kya kakete swang pi tunga yin amwa riding in hong khahi ke ma pasen pat na la tak kalung sung hong phok sa ki to pa be pasyam anay min tu pa ngahi mikilian sakte tung ding lo tu pa ngahi aman lo pasyam tunga mon na ne lo mi ten mu in za ta kin to pa phati ngu hi kanin na le na hoi na sen na lam dang kem pe zong a hoi pen ding in nong om sa sim zo lo ding dong ke no ngi na kan nu ta na ka pum pi le ka kha to pao na nga hi ta ning ke ma pa sen pa na la ta ka lung sung ngong phok sa ki I waited patiently for the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. He lifted me out on the sleepy pit, out on the mud and mire. He set my feet on the rock and gave me a firm place to stand. He put a new song in my mouth, a hymn of praise to our God. Blessed is the man who makes the Lord his trust. Blessed is the man who doesn't look to the crowd. Blessed is the man to those who turn aside before God. Many will see and fear and put their trust in the Lord. And you, Lord, my God, are the wonders you have done. The things you plan for us, no one can recount to you. Where I can speak and tell of them, there would be too many to declare. They put a new song in my mouth, a hymn of praise to our God. I sing a new song with my mouth, a hymn of praise